Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In the business review, serial entrepreneur Darian Delevante, who has been living in the United States for 15 years, decided to return home to open a food truck. Mr. Delevante, who named his truck Yardy Food and Things, asked himself, instead of people coming to us, why not go to them? And the rest has been history. Kimberly Petty reports.
Darian Delevante said the concept of Yardy Food and Things emerged from his experience while living overseas. The Manchester native started the business 2 years ago in Atlanta.
I left here back in 2010. I was living in the state for around 15 some years, right? And I noticed over the course of that time, there's a lot of Chinese and Indian moving into Jamaica, but I also saw a lot of my people moving out. So I started thinking, if all of the Chinese and the Indians are moving in, why we move out?
He said it was at that moment he realized that there was a huge gap in the market, and since taking the business to Jamaica, the truck has been firing up the taste buds of both locals and tourists.
Once you try the food here, no other place will be able to replicate the taste where you get. So you know what? You only can get that particular taste right here. Your palate's not gonna happy until you come back.
He says he sources fresh produce daily and throws out old food. The 35-year-old entrepreneur also pointed to the flexibility of food trucks.
So why be limited to one location when you can be in multiple locations? So after that analysis, I said a food truck would be a great business, because right now with the Negril, I'm from Manchester, 3.5 hour drive. The next event there, Montego Bay, quick there, Montego Bay, Ocho. So it gives you the flexibility to be in multiple places, where as a brick and mortar, you're limited to where you are and people have to come to you. Well, why not make myself more findable? So instead of waiting for people to come to me, how about I go to people as well?
At the recent Dream Weekend, while food vendors complained about a lack of sales, his experience was more positive. Now, he has his eyes set on expansion.
Man, Yardy Food and Things, we're right here. If you want us for your event, all you gotta do is look up Darian Delevante. That's Daraine Delevante. I'm on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, everywhere. #Yardy Food and Things.
With the Business Review, I'm Kimberly Petty.